Hey, good morning, Math 8 student. Math 8, oh my goodness, I'm making you a year older than you are. How about good morning, Math 7 students? All right, today you're doing triangle side length rules, okay? So here's the basic rule of a triangle. In order to be a triangle, first of all, you have three sides, correct? And if you take the two smallest sides and add them together, they have to be greater than the biggest side. Okay, if that makes sense. If you take the two smallest sides, that has to be greater than the two biggest sides. So here's kind of what we look at. When we look at this one right here, okay, we know that if we had a side that if this side right here, let's take a look at this. If we took this side here and we subtracted this side here, 8.0 minus 2.5 would be 5.5. We know that 2.5 plus 5.5 would equal 8. So if this side was only 5.5, it wouldn't make a triangle because it's not big enough. In order to be a triangle, this third side has to be bigger than 5.5. So we know x has to be greater than 5.5. Otherwise, it would just make a straight line. However, it can't get to be too big because if we were to add these together, let's say that 2.5 and 8.0 were the two smaller sides. 2.5 plus 8.0, okay, if those were the two smallest sides, then those two would equal 10.5. So if this was anything bigger than 10.5, it also would not make a triangle because it would make a straight line. So we know that by adding these two sides together, it gives us our top end of our range. And by subtracting these two right here, it gives us the bottom end of our range. Okay, so just something to think about how to do that. So you just simply subtract them to find one end, the bottom end of the range. You add them to find the top end of the range. All right, let's do one more here. Could 2.8, 4.0, and 2.8, so I'm looking at these three sides right here, could that be a triangle? Well, how I like to do it is I take the two smallest sides, I add them together and make sure it's greater than the biggest length they gave you. So what is 2.8 plus 2.8? Well, it's 5.6. Is 5.6 greater than the third side? And the third side is 4.0. And the answer is yes, it is. So yes, that could be a triangle. That's how you do it today, guys. Good luck with that. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.